One of the most important things you need to do as a drone operator before flying is to check in what areas you are allowed to fly with your drone. You don't want to ruin your day by getting in trouble because of an unauthorized flight in a geographical zone. This can land you a hefty fine, or even worse, you can potentially cause an accident. Hi, my name is Tom Strojnik, professional filmmaker and drone pilot, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to find out where you can or can't fly with your drone. It's fairly simple, let me show you. So each country has its own Geo Zones. These are areas in which you are not allowed to fly without additional authorization. Usually these areas include locations like airports, heliports, national parks, military installations, hospitals, nuclear power plants, and so on. You will have to do some minor research because each country has its own Geo Zones. Usually they share this information on their National Aviation Authority website, and some countries even have their own mobile application. For example, Germany has an app called Dronik. It's very simple to use. All you need to do is to select your drone weight class, tap on the map where you potentially want to fly, and you can clearly see where flying is prohibited. And here in Slovenia we have a detailed map available with all Geo Zones clearly marked. Now let's go through a real life example. Let's say that you're a videographer and you want to film with your drone on this small local airport. And let's say that you are operating in an open category. If you click on the Geo Zone area, it shows you all of the required information. As you can see, you can fly here even in an open category, but what you need to obtain is an approval from the aerodrome operator. Once you get that, you also need to send a flight announcement to the Slovenian Aviation Authority at least 12 hours prior to the flight. There is a simple online form that you fill. It includes basic information about your drone operation. You also need to share the flight plan within Google Earth application. If there is anything wrong with your application, the competent authority will let you know. Otherwise, that's basically it. You are now authorized to fly in a Geo Zone. And keep in mind that each country has its own authorization process, but it is pretty similar throughout all EASA member countries. And rules for flying or not flying in Geo Zones are the same. Feel free to read the article linked in the video description for more detailed information, and happy flying!